Life imposes things on you that you can't control, but you still have the choice of how you are going to live through this. Life is never easy. There is work to be done and obligations to be met. Obligations to truth, to justice, and to liberty. Live for each second without hesitation. Life is like riding a bicycle. To keep your balance, you must keep moving. Life is really simple, but men insist on making it complicated. Life is a succession of lessons which must be lived to be understood. Your work is going to fill a large part of your life, and the only way to be truly satisfied is to do what you believe is great work, and the only way to do great work is to love what you do. If you have not found it yet, keep looking, don't settle. As with all masters of the heart, you will know when you find it. Life is like a box of chocolates. You never know what you are gonna get. Watch your thoughts, they become words. Watch your words, they become actions. Watch your actions, they become habits. Watch your habits, they become character. Watch your character, it becomes your destiny. When we do the best we can, we never know what miracle is wrought in our life or the life of another. The healthiest response to life is joy. Life is like a coin. You can spend it any way you wish, but you only spend it once. In 3 words, I can sum up everything I have learned about life. It goes on. Keep calm and carry on.